Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, May 18th, 2017. It's currently 9:36 a.m. and we are warming up very nicely with temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to lower 80s over much of the region. A few mid 80s are mixed into eastern Pennsylvania as well. We're going to see temperatures basically in the upper 80s to lower 90s for much of the region, with the exception of the South Shore of Long Island, where the influence from the Atlantic will keep you in the upper 70s to lower 80s, but you'll still be humid. That's the key here. Compared to yesterday, where it was hot, you had temperatures, in some cases record temperatures in the lower 90s, but the humidity really wasn't there. This time, you're going to have the heat and the humidity, with dew points already pushing into the lower to mid 60s. Combine that with high temperatures, let's say around 91, 92 degrees. It's going to lead to a heat index anywhere from 94 to 97 degrees. So it's going to feel rather uncomfortable out there. It's a perfect day to head to the shore and maybe jump in that pool that just opened up, because it is definitely going to be one of those days where you're going to need some relief, or at the very least, some air conditioning. So is this going to last long? No. In fact, it's got about 24, maybe 36 hours left until it is gone, and basically a distant memory by the time we get to this weekend, where we'll struggle to break 60 degrees along the coast and mid to upper 60s over the Delaware River Valley. So major changes are on the way, and with that, a threat for a few thunderstorms as well. Taking a look at the radar, not much going on. We do have this weak trough that's approaching with a few isolated showers. For the most part, most locations will remain dry as this trough moves through, but I can't rule out an isolated shower over eastern Pennsylvania through this afternoon. Again, keyword here is isolated and rather weak. On the infrared satellite picture, high pressure is in control. Actually, it's right about here. And with that, we're getting a nice, strong southwesterly flow at pretty much all levels of the atmosphere, and that's transporting warm and humid air into the region. We know it's warm because 850 millibar temperatures range anywhere from about 16 to 20 degrees Celsius. And those 850 millibar temperatures basically support temperatures in the mid 80s to lower 90s. But combine that with all the moisture streaming out of the Gulf of Mexico, and you set up yourself for a hot and humid day. This cold front right here, though, will put an end to this hot and humid weather pattern, and pretty quickly, as this cold front moves through tomorrow afternoon and evening with a few widely scattered isolated showers and thunderstorms. Most of these showers and thunderstorms will be pretty weak, but watch out for a few rogue, isolated, severe thunderstorms, as they will pack quite a punch. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, hazy, hot, and humid, temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to lower 80s along the Long Island coast, the South Shore, lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, upper 80s to lower 90s over much of the urban areas and in the Delaware River Valley, with a heat index in the mid 90s. So definitely going to feel rather uncomfortable out there. For this evening, look for sky cloud cover. Can't rule out an isolated shower over the interior. Fog will have the potential to develop along the coast and over the coastal waters by tomorrow morning, with lows in the mid to upper 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, that cold front starts to move through. By about 8 p.m., the cold front will be clearing the entire region. So basically, from about 2 p.m. to 8 p.m., there will be a threat for some isolated thunderstorms. Keyword on isolated there. These thunderstorms will be capable of packing a punch, though, with very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, small hail, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Not everyone will see them, but if you are one of the unlucky few to actually end up in one of these thunderstorms, do use some caution. The cold front is gone. Look for temperatures by the afternoon ranging anywhere from the upper 70s to lower 80s along the southern coast of Long Island, mid to upper 80s along the coast, and also in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, high pressure from Quebec will build south and provide a much cooler air mass, with scattered cloud cover expected. Lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s everywhere else. High temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s along the immediate coast, and mid to upper 60s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, high pressure will slowly give way. Look for a sky cloud cover in the morning, increasing clouds towards the evening with a few showers. Temperatures will remain cool with an easterly wind in place. Look for lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, and mid 60s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, an area of low pressure will move through the region with periods of showers expected. Look for lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s, highs in the mid to upper 60s along the coast, and lower to mid 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, sky cloud cover is expected, with temperatures ranging from the mid 50s for lows and upper 60s to lower 70s for highs. On Wednesday, another area of low pressure will approach the region with showers towards the late afternoon and evening hours. Look for temperatures to range from the mid 50s for lows and mid to upper 60s along the coast, and upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. And on Thursday, another area of low pressure will approach with periods of showers, possibly heavy at times. Look for low temperatures in the mid 50s, high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. So after a rather summery start to our forecast period and end of the week, we pretty much fall right back into a cool pattern once again, with a high potential for showers and basically above normal precipitation and below normal temperatures. That is the forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.